remember when we were filming our first scene, when just being stood there thinking,
these neighbors have signed up for the most ambitious social experiment of its kind.
We just pop that on for a couple of minutes, get that water nice and hot. Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. I am back with an announcement today. I've got some exciting news to share with you. I've been keeping a bit of a secret for quite some time now, so I'm really excited to jump into today's video. So we won't delay, we'll have a quick sip of the coffee and then we'll get into it. So you may remember that last October I went out to the US. I actually did a few vlogs which you may have already watched on my channel. If you missed them, I will link them below. I had a good time visiting some of the shops. I also had a very good explore of Nashville, had a fantastic time, and did document some of my trips. So if you're interested in watching those and you haven't seen them already, they will all be linked below. But while I was out there, I was actually working. So in today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you what I was up to and sharing some very exciting news. So basically, the reason I was out there in Nashville, Tennessee, is I was filming for a brand new TV show, which is very exciting. And that TV show is going to be on your TV sets, on your televisions. If you are in the US, it is coming very soon. So I'm going to give you all of the details about the program and when it's going to be on and how you can watch it in this video as well. So stay tuned for that. But I want to kind of rewind to explain how I ended up there and doing this job. So basically, back in 2020, when I was contacted by a production company for Sort Your Life Out here in the UK, I filmed a screen test, and that production company at the same time were also developing another show with another production company in the US. And that show is called Big Block Overhaul. And they were developing that, and they thought, why don't we just send this tape over to them as well, because they were casting. Okay, the builders have just arrived, they're fixing a leak downstairs, so I think we're gonna have to take the rest of this video outside. I'll be right back. Sorry about that, we have repositioned outside, but I'm gonna make the most of it because it is a beautiful day here in London. We've had some really incredible weather for this time of year, so there we are. We'll do this in the sunshine together. So I apologise if you hear any aeroplanes flying over or any kind of noise from the surrounding park, but I'll do my best to just carry on from here. Beat the drilling that you would have been hearing from the bathroom with the leak being sorted. As I say, the screen test that I did was submitted. My mission is to make cleaning quicker, easier, more fun, and yeah, just do it like a little bit more lazy style. And then I heard the news that they were interested in me being part of it, which was completely bonkers, the thought of going over to the US to film a TV programme. And basically, after lots of months of kind of sorting out paperwork and then the shoot being organised, it was finally organised for October last year. I still can't believe I'm actually saying this, and it's going to be on the TV for you in America very soon. So it's actually going to be on a channel called HGTV, which I'm sure loads of you are already familiar with. It is a brilliant channel if you're into your homes and your interiors and your property and your renovations and your makeovers and your upcycling and your travel. They've got some fab shows on there. I feel like HGTV needs no explanation if you are in the US, but just for anyone in the UK that's maybe never heard of it before, it stands for Homes and Gardens TV, and it's brilliant. I could watch it all day long. And the programme that I've taken part in is called Big Block Overhaul, and it's a one-off special. I'm going to read you the little blurb about it. So it says, Big Block Overhaul is an unprecedented social experiment in which a team of experts helps a group of neighbouring families work together to declutter, organise and clean and redesign their homes in just 5 days. Will working as a group make these families more accountable than if they did it on their own? MAKK, who is an incredible interior home guru, she's amazing, and Justin KLOSKY, who is a professional organiser and declutterer, I can never say that, he's a professional organiser, and myself, who is taking charge of the cleaning again and also getting involved with some of the upcycling and helping with the room makeovers. We are going into 3 different families' homes, all on the same block, and helping them transform them for the better, to improve their lives and to improve their homes and their well-being and all of that good stuff. It was really cool because all the different families got to see each other's stuff, which was laid out on the lawns outside in front of their homes as they went through them and they could interact with each other, see how they're getting on. It just made it a really interesting process that they were all able to kind of do this as a bit of a community thing. And yeah, it was good fun. It was a lot of hard work. We were tackling 3 homes and we were targeting some of their kind of most problematic areas within their homes. So we were dealing with a lot of clutter, areas that needed cleaning, areas that just weren't working for these families. Yeah, I can't wait for you to see the results. I can't wait for you to meet the families. They were all brilliant. They were so up for it and really threw themselves into the entire process. Yeah, I just really hope that you enjoy it if you are able to tune in. I'm going to give you the details of when it's on. It's going to be on the 2nd of April at 10 p.m. EDT and 7 p.m. PDT. So get that in your diary. Make sure you set your planner, make sure you set your alarms, whatever it is that you need to do to tune in. And please do also share on social media if you are tuning in. I would absolutely love to see a little photo of your television and your beverage of choice or your snacks or your feet up. If you're tuning in and watching it, please tag me in it over on Instagram. It's Mr. Carrington. Make sure you tag HGTV as well. Get on Twitter and tweet along when you're watching. I'd love to hear what you're thinking of it, as I'm sure the rest of the team would. And it would be great to let HGTV know that you enjoy it if you do as well. So be sure to let them know. So then hopefully there could be more in the future. You never know, fingers crossed. And yeah, it was just such an incredible experience for me to be able to go over to the US and experience something like that. I'd only ever been to New York City before, so it was a totally different part of the USA that I was experiencing, and what an honor and privilege to be able to go out there and help families transform their homes and hopefully transform their lives. Some of the things that we did, I think, are going to make a massive difference to their lives going forward. So it was incredible. I'm so thankful that I got the opportunity to do it. So I want to say thank you again to all of you who watch me here, because without you, these TV companies and these opportunities wouldn't have fallen my way. So I do want to say a massive thank you for all of the support here, for tuning in, and yeah, just for being there. I felt like I was in sort of good company with all of your lovely comments on the vlogs that I filmed while I was out in the US, and it just made me feel really happy that I was able to share some of the experience with you, and also just to get an opportunity to do all of the stuff that I enjoy in a completely different country and somewhere that I'd never experienced before. So I hope when you tune in on the 2nd of April in the US that you will enjoy it. HGTV. And yeah, I can't wait to hear what you think about it. And yeah, be sure to do lots of sharing on your social media so that I can see that you're watching, and then let me know all of your thoughts as well. I haven't seen it yet, so I've got no idea what it's going to be like, apart from I have seen a teaser, and I can insert that for you now so you can have a little look at the teaser or the trailer, whatever you want to call it, and see what we're in store for.
These neighbors have signed up for the most ambitious social experiment of its kind.
I feel anxious because what if I threw something away that I might need?
To expose their hidden chaos and clutter in front of each other.
Oh my goodness.
Holy crap. No way.
Wow. Oh my God, you guys are hoarders.
Our mission? To help this entire block declutter, organize, clean, and redecorate their spaces in just 5 days.
I want everything in your home to have a place.
We just pop that on for a couple of minutes, get that water nice and hot.
I'll give it the razzle dazzle. I'll paint my brush strokes all over this place.
It will be tough.
Don't take my stuff.
But can these neighbors get their homes and lives back in order if they do it together?
Oh my goodness. This is phenomenal. What? This is a vacation.
Oh, no way.
Hopefully that gives you a flavour of what the show's going to be like. It was the biggest kind of production and set that I'd ever worked on. There was 3 different units all operating through the different houses at the same time, and yeah, it was kind of overwhelming. I remember when we were filming our first scene, we're just being stood there thinking, I need an emergency banana. But it was great fun. Everybody was so lovely. The crews were so nice and welcoming. We had an amazing producer, an amazing team who were kind of guiding us all through it. And yeah, it was just a wonderful, wonderful experience. I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I really hope I get to go back at some point in the future, because I would love to do more in the US. So yeah, that is my very exciting news. I just remember being on the aeroplane home as well after that experience, just feeling so grateful to be able to take part in that. What a privilege and honour that has been, and yeah, I'm just delighted that I was able to be part of the show, and I really hope that you enjoy it. I can't wait to hear what you think of it. I can't wait to hear what viewers in the US think of my cleaning tips. Yeah, as I say, it's a one-off special, so be sure to tune in on the 2nd of April at 7 PM or 10 PM depending on where it is that you're watching from. And yeah, I can't wait to hear what you think. So that's it for this video. Sorry it was a little bit all over the shop. We've been indoors, outdoors, and I hope the planes weren't too noisy for you while you were watching this. I'll leave all of the information on when it's going to be on and stuff in the description box, just so you have it there as well as links to their social media so that you can tag them in any tweets or posts that you might pop up on your Instagram stories and that sort of thing. But yeah, that's my news. So as always, I just want to say the biggest thank you for tuning in and for watching. Yeah, I'm just so delighted to be able to share this with you, and I'll be back soon with another video. I've got a few things on the way. I've got some travel vlogs coming for you. I've also got a charity shop haul. I've got a come shopping with me where I hit Selfridges, and lots more on the way anyway. So yeah, get that date in your diary, 2nd of April, HGTV, big block overhaul, and I hope you enjoy it if you're able to watch. And yeah, I'm going to end the video here and might just have a little lie down in this field and do a spot of sunbathing. So yeah, I will let you get on with the rest of your day or evening now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.